Hello, second grade. All right, so you might be looking at the board and kind of confused of what's going on. Well, first of all, we're doing lesson 112. That's right, we have gone that far in our math book. Today, we're going to learn how to measure things in pounds. So this is the word pounds. We're going to learn how to measure things in pounds. And shorter version for pounds is LB or LBS. If you could say 1 pound or 2 pounds or however many pounds. But if there's one, it's 1 pound, then it'll just be LB. Or if there's more than 1 pound, LBS. So pounds. Okay? All right. Well, first I'm going to show you this. And you might be wondering, what is that? Well, for those that do not know what this is a scale. And you might have seen your parents use the scale, or you might have used the scale yourself. And I'm going to show you, I'm not going to step on it, but I will show you. You can see LB, pound. And if you stand on it, it will increase depending on how much you weigh. Right now my hand is on it, just because I want to show you the LB symbol for pounds, okay? So this is one scale that you could use to measure in pounds. Another scale you could use is this one. You might find this in the kitchen. If you're baking or cooking, you might want to measure things in pounds. I'm just going to turn this on. And you can see it. So here it says kilograms. But everything that I have measured for you today, I converted to pounds. Just because my scale does not use pounds and I don't have one except the one that you can measure your weight on. Alright, so I have this glass of water that I'm going to put on here, okay? This glass of water here. And this glass of water, this glass of water weighs 1.35 pounds. So just a little bit over 1 pound. And then your favorite are these roll of tickets. And once I put that on scale, this roll of tickets is a little over a pound as well, 1.10 pounds. Right here. So glass of water, 1.35 pounds. Roll of tickets, 1.10 pounds. Now, you have all seen my cat Theo, the little baby one, not Buttons, but the little baby one, Theo. I was wondering if you can take a guess and figure out how much Theo weighs. How much Theo weighs. You can put your guess on a separate sheet of paper or somewhere in the corner of your homework, worksheet 112. And depending on how close you get, you might get some extra points added onto your homework. So the main point is you can use a scale to measure your weight. And now if I measured my weight will be bigger than yours because I'm an adult and I'm bigger than you, and your weight will be much smaller than mine. And so you can use this scale to measure your weight or your pet's weight, or your parents might use it, or you could use a scale like this, okay, to for like when you're cooking or baking. All right, so that's the lesson. It's very short, so I would like you to grab a scale at home and maybe measure your weight and see how much you weigh in pounds. You could ask your parents to weigh themselves and see how much they weigh in pounds. You could maybe weigh your pet You could also weigh things in the kitchen, maybe a bag of flour and see how many pounds a bag of flour weighs, or how many pounds a carton of milk is, and so on. All right, if you have any questions or you need help, please let me know. Bye.